Hello student, today I will teach you chapter surface areas and volumes, exercise 13.2 part 1, question number 1 to question number 5. Surface area and volume of cylinder. Today I have to explain you. These are the different forms of the cylinder. This is the sheet of paper. If we roll it, then it will change into in this type of cylindrical form. It is hollow cylinder. Okay, now check it. If many circular disc like coins, if we stuck together, so okay, it will form a cylindrical form. If the cylindrical cylinder, it is the straight height, that is called the right circular cylinder, means a right angle it is formed with the surface. And if you change its shape in this way, now this shape, it is not right angle. So okay, so it is not called the right circular cylinder. So we have to know about the right circular cylinder, its surface area and its volume. Now in this exercise I will explain you the surface area. Curved surface area means this part, this part is called the area of the sheet. When it roll up and change into in the shape of a cylinder, this one is the cylinder. So this surface is called the surface area. It is length into breadth, as it is the rectangular form. So length into breadth is equal to area. So its length is equal to 2 pi r of this circle, or they are 2 pi r of the circumference. Okay, circumference into height. Okay, this one is the closed cylinder. Okay, enclosed in the two sides is blocked. In these two sides, it is one circle is here and another circle is opposite sides. Okay, it is the two circles and curved surface area. Total is called the total surface area. Got it? Now, the formula of curved surface area of the cylinder, that is 2 pi r into h. In short, it is CSA, and total surface area of the cylinder, it is 2 pi r square, because there are two circles, okay, at top and bottom. So one circle is pi r square, another one is also pi r square. So it is 2 pi r square plus curved surface area 2 pi r h. Now you take common 2 pi r from these two. It is 2 pi r into r plus h. Okay, it is TSA. You have to learn it. It's okay. CSA and TSA. CSA 2 pi r h, TSA 2 pi r plus h. Okay. Here by diagram I have explained you. So it is this paper, sheet of paper, when rolled up it changes into a cylinder, CSA 2 pi r h, and two flips means two circular part in top and bottom. So if you add it, it is 2 pi r plus h. Okay, 2 pi r and r plus h. Now one by one, it is exercise 13.2. So okay, exercise 13.2, it is the curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of height 14 centimeter is 88 centimeter. So what is 88 centimeter? It is the curved surface area. Okay, and height is 14 centimeter. Find the diameter of the base of the circular cylinder. Okay, that is a cylinder. Solution is a CSA has given 88 centimeter. Formula of CSA is 2 pi r h is equal to 88. Here r is, substitute the value 2, pi is 22 upon 7, r is as it is you have to write, h is 14. So 2r means diameter. So 2r is equal to these two parts. We'll shift to right hand side. It is coming 2 centimeter. Diameter is equal to 2 centimeter. Next question, it is required to make a closed cylindrical tank of height 1 meter. It's height 1 meter and base diameter is 140 centimeter. You have to change all the figures in same units. It is meter, so you have to change in meter, because answer has asked how many square meters of the steel are required for the same. Okay, so it is solution. Height is 1 meter, radius is that you have to change into radius to diameter, it is divided by 2, and to change into meter divided by 100. So it is 0.7 meter. It is the radius. Now TSA formula is 2 pi r plus h. Now substitute the value. It is coming 7.48 meter square. Okay. Next question number 3. A metal pipe is 77 centimeter long. The inner diameter of a cross section is 4 centimeter. The outer diameter being 4.4 centimeter. Find its inner curved surface area. First question. And second question is outer curved surface area. Third one is total surface area. Okay. 3 points you have to find out. Now it is the thick cylinder, okay, whose inner diameter, this one, is 4 centimeter, and outer diameter from here to here, this one, outer diameter is 4.4 centimeter. Change into radius first. Inner radius R1 2 centimeter, outer radius R2 is equal to 2.2 centimeter, height 77 centimeter. Inner curved surface area 2 pi r1 into h. Its radius is r1, so you have to take 2 pi r1 into h. It is 968 centimeter square. Outer curved surface area 2 pi r2 into h. R2 is 2.2 and h. Now it is 1064.8 centimeter square. Now total surface area, inner plus outer plus this blue color part. So okay, 2 disc, top and bottom. Okay, so it is inner CSA plus outer CSA plus 2 into area of circular part. This circular part, 2 parts, so it is 2 into area of circular part. Now inner we have got, outer we have got. It is 2 pi r2 square minus r1 square. Okay, it's formula. So now substitute this value, a square minus b square. It is a plus b into a minus b. Okay, in this way, by identity you solve it better, you can solve easily. Now it is this plus this is equal to this, and this one substitute the value. So total value is 2034.8 centimeter square. Got it? Next question is, the diameter of a roller is 84 centimeter and its length is 120 centimeter. It takes 500 complete revolutions to move one over to level a playground. Find the area of the playground in meter square. Given diameter is 2 into radius. So 2 into radius equal 84 as given. So radius is equal to 42 centimeter. Height has given 120 centimeter. Now the roller will roll. When it will roll, its curved surface area will roll on the ground. So therefore we have to find out CSA of the roller, that is the 2 pi RH. Okay. Now 2 pi r into h, that is 36,180 centimeter square. Okay. Now it is for area covered by 1 revolution. It is much area. Okay. Now area covered by 500 revolution. So it is multiplied by 5. It is centimeter square. You have to change into meter square, because in meter square you have to find the answer. In meter square you have to divide it 500 into this area into upon 100 into 100. 2 times centimeter square will change into meter. So it is coming 1584 meter square. Okay. Now it is the last question of this part. A cylindrical pillar is 50 centimeter in diameter and 3.5 meter in height. So okay, 1 centimeter and 1 meter has given. Find the cost of painting the curved surface of the pillar at the rate of rupees 12.50, 12 rupees 50 paisa per meter square. Got it? Understood it? Now is a pillar. Find the cost of painting the curved surface area. So we have to find out the curved surface area. Curved surface area, first diameter 50 centimeter, radius is 25 centimeter, change into meter, it is 0.25 meter. Okay. Now CSA of pillar 2 pi RH. Now substitute the value. It is answer is 5.5 meter square. Okay. Now cost of painting 5.5 into 12.50. It is total is rupees 68.75. 68 rupees and 75 paisa. Okay. Thank you very much.